If you're ready to spruce up your home decor for the fall time for the low, then keep on watching this video. So what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and on today's video we're going to be doing a Temu haul. Not only do we style clothes and the outfits, but the home has to be just as fly as the fit. So make sure you check that description box because I have a $100 coupon bundle for you. Yes, that is right. Click that link and you'll get a $100 coupon bundle. Not to mention, you'll get this perfect LED light, a butterfly light, for just $1. Yes, you heard me right. $1. So I am going to be redoing my daughter's room. They're going to be moving in together. They're moving in together in one little small space, so I had to give them a little refresh, a little revamp, and Temu is helping me out with that. So they sent your girl over a few items from their home decor department, so let's get into this video. So I know I wanted their room to be super colorful, super girly, lots of pink. We've already painted some of the walls. I put up wallpaper, and I also knew that I wanted to do a full gallery wall, not just one little small wall, but one full gallery wall. I picked out a few wall prints, one canvas one. I'm going to show you guys on the side because I did finally complete the full gallery wall, so I'll show you guys right over here. You'll see it, should be popped up on the screen right there. I'll show you one that says girls can do anything. I really love that one. And then another set of 6 that come all together, one lightning bolt. The peace sign was super cute and fun. Just wanted to show you one of the ones that I did not use, but it's still super cute. It says it's a beautiful day. So we ran out of space, okay, but this one is super cute. I wanted to show you guys the size of it. It is canvas material, but it is like a cute little shiny, has like a nice little shiny coat to it. I also picked up these cute little package of gummy bear resin gummy bears. That's what they're called. They're resin gummy bears. They come in a package of 50. So I did also add these to their gallery wall. I went on Etsy and saw this cute little wall art design with the gummy bears and also acrylic frames, which was about $300. And I was like, I can do that myself. So I went ahead and got the gummy bears, and I also picked up these acrylic frames from Temu, which were, hold on, let me tell you how much. $7 to $8. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. So I picked them up in 3 different colors. I got this cute little green one, and they come packaged up really nicely with a bubble wrap. I also got this yellow one, so it comes wrapped up very nicely. So pretty. And then the glass and hardware comes in another little bubble wrap. So that's that, and it comes with the screws. So of course I'll pop up the image to show you what they actually look like. So I got the yellow color, the green. Let's go ahead and unpackage her. The green, so pretty, my favorite color. And then I got like this neon pink color, another fave color. So I'm gonna open that up as well. Super cute, super fun for decor. Now I didn't add these as far as their gallery wall, which was my initial idea, but I am gonna put some photos in them and put them on top of their dresser. I think that's gonna be like super cute. Some kind of way. Sit this one down, maybe one on top, one beside, like this. Love that. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you guys a coupon code so you can go ahead and spruce up your home as well. Well, I picked out these cute little smiley face magnets, but of course you can use them for different things like I did, and I'll show you in this video. So I went ahead and glued them to a picture frame and added them to their gallery wall, which was so cute. Love that. And they come in a 12 pack and they were only $2.99. Next on our home decor haul, I have this Once Upon a Time wall plaque. Now it did come in just like a wooden color, but I decided to go ahead and spray paint it white. So Once Upon a Time, and this is the size. So it's a pretty good size, and they come like this. Once Upon a Time, all the letters, and then the 3 dots. And I absolutely love this. I thought of the perfect place. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I'm doing a full book wall for them with some ledges, and I'm gonna put the Once Upon a Sign right above it, and it came out super perfect. I'm gonna pop up the images right over here, of course, for you guys, and everything once again will be linked down below. And while we're at it, make sure you like this video, okay? And if you're not following me over on TikTok, what are you doing? Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. That's April Styled It. Okay, so next we have this cute little flower pillow. It's this one. I got this one in the color blue. I hope you guys can see that. This is the plush flower pattern pillow cushion. Again, like I said, I got all of these things for my daughter's room, so this is super cute. Oh, you know, they love the fun stuff like this. It's really soft. Then I got another pillow. Well, it's actually a pillow cover, so you have to add your own insert. So let's open her up. And it is this cute little, what is the movie? Why is it escaping me? What is the movie? What is the movie? What is the movie? What is it called? Inside Out. How could I forget that? So Inside Out. So this is so cute. It is an Inside Out inspired pillow cover. This one is a 16 by 16 pillow cover. So it has all the colors. My 8-year-old is gonna absolutely love this when she sees it. She hasn't seen it yet, but I know she's gonna love that because she loves that movie Inside Out. I love it because it's super colorful. Like I said, the room is gonna be super colorful and fun and girly and all of the things. So next on our Temu home decor is this cute little small and sleek laundry basket, and it has wheels on the bottom, which is super perfect for transporting your luggage from floor to floor, which I have to do. We have already been using this thing. We've put it to use. I keep it in their closet, and there is the perfect amount of space that this slips into right in their closet, and it has a little drawstring closure. How perfect is that? And then when we're ready to do laundry, you just pull it out. It has this handle, and we can just roll it on to the laundry room, okay? Perfect, love that. Also got two butterfly LED lights. So we got, as you can see, they come in a variety of shapes and things, but I decided to go for the butterflies. I thought this would be perfect also for their gallery wall. So the gallery wall is complete. We just have to put on the LED and the TV and we'll be done, okay? So look how perfect. And like I said, I got two. One is purple, one is pink. And I thought, you know, these will also double as a cute little night light for them in their room. String is super long. Super long. The USB that you can plug it in, or you can add 3 AA batteries as well, and that's what I'm probably gonna do. Let's see if I can get some batteries and show you guys the colors on here. The butterfly LED lights also come with these hooks, so you can put them on the wall very easily, and I love that. Super convenient. That's what I'm all about these days, convenience, okay? Next on our room renovation for my baby girls, I got this over the door closet organizer. So I'll give you guys a better view of that, but it comes with the 2 hooks that you add over top of the doors, and then It has this little hard piece. You just insert inside so that you can organize. I was thinking about putting their hair products, so when I'm doing their hair before school in the morning, everything is just right there. Clothes, shoes, hair products, everything is there. Organization, maybe some extra socks or extra blankets or sheets or something. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I definitely knew we needed this because we are limited on space. So anything over the door for us is a win. Come in other colors. I think it does come in a pretty pink color as well. Guys, will never guess how much that cost. Just guess. Guess in the comments right now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Go ahead, put the guess in the comments. $7. Okay, get you some home decor from Temu for the low. I'm telling you right now, $7 for that. That's absolutely amazing. So next on our list, I have these two floral knobs. So they currently have like a cute little clear and gold knob on their dresser, but I wanted to pick up these floral ones and I love them so much. So I only got 2, so I will have to go back and get 4 more to complete the look. Super cute, guys. So it comes with that, and of course it comes with the screw. So it's easy to jazz up your home with cute little hacks like that. You don't have to use the knobs that anything comes with, like a dresser per se. Like I said, you can change the knobs. I've never actually used the knobs that the dresser came with. They came with a black knob, black basic knob. Switched them for this cute gold and acrylic knob. And now we're on to some cute little gold floral ones. So always keep that in mind when decorating your home. You can always use different hacks. Spruce it up, change it up to, you know, elevate your decor, elevate your home, okay? Especially if you're someone like me who gets bored very easily. I don't know if that's the Libra in me or not, but we likes the new, okay? That's what keeps me going, that's what keeps me happy. So I like to change things often, so this is a fun and inexpensive way to do just that. So make sure you guys head down to the description box below, click on the links. I'll have everything down there and more. And if you're wondering where I got these glasses from, they're also from Temu. So stay tuned for that next video. I'm going to be doing an accessories haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of your girl. That's me, April, aka April Styled It. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.